Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy, the Fiery Flame, back again with another video. Now, in this video, I am going to be explaining something to you. But I have some more good news. If you guys don't know already, it's snowing, so I'm just going to go ahead and look outside to see how nice the snow is. Let me look at that. Gee, it snowed pretty good. Guys, it snowed pretty good. Now let's see what I have to explain to you about. Okay, let me explain. What I have to explain to you guys is what was that? Did you guys hear that? Guys, I think I heard something behind me. What is, I just got pulled out of my, Guys, I don't know what that was, but something pulled me out of my. I don't know what that was, guys, but I don't know what that was, guys. I cannot make it out. Hold on, let me make it out. Hold on, I need to make that out. Let me have a flashlight to see if I can make out what that was. I don't see anything. Guys, I don't see anything, guys. What is that? Wow. Okay. What was that? Wow. Hold on. Can I feel that? Whoa, dude. I can feel that. Guys, I just felt something pressing down on me. I think that was like a ghost or something. I don't know what that was, guys, but I know for sure that was a ghost. Hold on. I better. So I gotta go hide right now, guys. I gotta hide. Okay, guys, my closet's not a good place to hide. I'm gonna have to hide under my desk. I have no choice but to hide under my desk. Alright, guys, is he coming? I don't think he saw me. He saw me. Let me go around my house a minute. I'm searching my closet. Wait a minute, is there anything on my back? Okay, there's nothing on my back. Good. was that? What was that? What was that? Okay, I've had enough of this. I think I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I have no idea what